Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to talk to you about sending your first email with Microsoft Outlook. Once you have opened up Microsoft Outlook, all I want you to do is observe up in the top left hand corner where it says new email. Even if your screen might look a little bit different than what you're seeing here right now at this moment, just go up and click on new email. And what I want you to recognize about Microsoft Outlook is that you can send a new email to yourself to practice all day long. So if I start typing in my name, Tony, you'll notice that because I've previously sent an email, it remembered that and it's got my email address in here already. So I simply clicked, it put in my email address, but it put me in as my name because that's part of my email address. And at this point, I'm going to hit the Tab key, Tab on my keyboard to go down to the CC field, BC field, and the subject line. And I'm going to put in email 1. That's it. My first email. And after I type this in, I'm going to go up and hit send right there. And that's how you send your first email. When I come back in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with the email that just came in. Thank you very much. Have a great day.